Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the 720R, the HS720R by Holy Stone, to have the best flight performance that you could possibly have. It's really simple. Here we go. You get it all fired up and started. Sticks down and to the right to initiate the compass calibration. And then we're just going to go clockwise. Spin to the right. The drone flat and level until you hear a beep. Camera up clockwise, or spin to the right until you hear a beep. Takes 3 or 4 turns. There we go. Place it back down, facing away from you. Hit the unlock buttons, or button, and then take off. No more toilet bowl action. Just a nice steady flying drone. Give you a little heads up there. Heads up. What's up, guys? Good flying drone. I like it. Look, Mom, no hands. And it's holding still, almost so still it looks like I'm taking a picture. Awesome. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing. The proof is in the pudding. There's the proof, folks. The 720R, HS720R is a good flying drone. Just a simple calibration issue. Now, you've seen I had my phone right next to it, right? So, I don't know what that means, to not have your phone near it, but I didn't seem to have any issues. Alright guys, there you have it. Have a great day. Bye.